Okay, let's do a few examples on practice with percent. So the first question is telling us Jenny ate 60% of the 25 cookies in the package. How many cookies did Jenny eat? So we have to know basically how many cookies did Jenny eat. So what you would do is convert the 60% into a decimal point to 0.60, and then I will multiply the total number of cookies, 25 cookies, which would give me the result of 15 cookies. So the answer to this would be 15 cookies. So Jenny ate 15 cookies. Okay, the next question is Jared ate 6 cookies of the 25 in the package. What percentage of the cookies did Jared eat? So Jared ate 6 cookies out of the 25. So we put this in fraction form. 25 is the total number of cookies, and he ate 6 out of the 25, so we put that in our numerator. So it would be 6 over 25. Now I want to make this to an equivalent fraction, so 25 goes into 100 4 times, and 6 times 4 is 24. So now we have 24 over 100. Now I want to convert this to a decimal point, so it would be 0.24. And then I want to convert this to a percentage. So what I do is 0.24 times 100, and that's going to give me 24%. So the answer to this would be 24%. Okay, here Jose gave away 70% of the 20 stuffed animals he had. How many does he have left? So we have this little chart right here to help us out. So I want to so Jose gave away 70%. So 70% minus 100% is basically 30. So he has 30% left. So he's 100% minus the 70% he gave away. 100% is the total percentage, and this is how much he gave away. And so he has now left with 30%. So he's left with 30%. So we basically convert 30% to a decimal point, so it would be 0.30 times the total number of animals of 20 stuffed animals, so times 20. So it would be 0.30 times 20, and we would get 6 as our final answer. So he is now left, Jose is left with 6 total animals, total stuffed animals. So this is the final answer to this one right here. So 6 total stuffed animals that Jose has left. Okay, here Evelyn is 3 feet tall and 9 inches, and Mary is 5 feet tall and 2 inches. What is the percent of Mary's height is Evelyn's height? So first I want to figure out, convert 3 feet and 9 inches to just inches. So you know that 1 foot equals to 12 inches. So what I do is 12 times 3, which is the 3 feet. So it's 12 times 3 is 36. So I have 36 now inches, plus the 9 left over. So 36 plus 9 is going to give me 45. So I have 45 inches. So Evelyn is now 45 inches. Now Mary's 5 feet tall and 2 inches. So we basically do is 12 times 5, and that's going to give us 60 inches, plus the 2 inches is 62 inches. So Evelyn would be in our numerator, 45 inches, and Evelyn would go in our numerator, 45 inches, and Mary would go in our new denominator as 62 inches. And what we do is 45 divided by 62 which is going to give us in our calculator 0.725. But we want to know the percentage of Mary's height to Evelyn's height, so I'm going to round this at the hundreds place. And this is you look to the right of 2. Is it greater than 5 or equal to 5? Yes. So now it's now I have 0.73. Now I want to convert this to a percentage, so I just multiply by 100, and that's going to give me 73%. So the final answer to this would be 73%. Okay, so Jacqueline, the next question is, Jacqueline is 90% of the height of her father, who is 6 feet tall and 3 inches in height. How tall is Jacqueline? So I want to convert this 90% to 0.90, and I want to multiply. First I want to convert 6 feet and 3 inches to just inches, so 12 times 6 is 72 inches, plus the 3 inches is 75 inches. So now I know the height of her father in inches, so it's 75 inches times the 90%. So I put it as 0.90. So 0.90 times 75 inches, and I will get 67.5 inches. So the final answer to this, so Jacqueline's her total height is 67.5 inches. So that's the final answer to that. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.